Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Ayusin ka. Make it proper. Again. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Leah. Happy birthday to you.
Long live. What is your wish? What is your wish?
Husband 2025. Boss, better you bring guitar. Guitar at home.
3 because it's 30.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Speech.
I do live TikTok. Send something to Philippines.
Yung camera ko na naman na blurred.
Use right.
I told her na she should use the. My mobile is kachara.
Save money, no buy.
Yay! The prices after they update the system, they increase.
It's melting. Nowadays it's melting. But from there, cut blueberry.
Ha? Ako?
Not like you.
Like this. Sorry, my mobile is kachara.
After lunch. Ini mo na lahat. After lunch.
Wow.
Yeah, really cake after.
Bari.
Ang taba ko ngayon. Kung magsalita na yun, video ko nga yun.
Okay, that's it.
Alam ko nakawaw.
Hindi naman maliwanag.
May time nga siya na tingnan mo yung sinend ko sa'yo kanina, di ba? Sinend ko na, nakita mo?
Naman sa akin? Naman sa group. Siyempre maiyak magtasendan din, no?
Personal number ko yun, hindi naman hindi naman ako.
send yun.
Hindi.
Salihin ko yun.
Hindi naman yan kasama sa GC natin.
Anong i-upload mo pa?
Ipasa ko kay ipasa ko kay Arati or kay Shesa.
Ano yung i-upload mo yan? Ito? Ano pa ba? Sa YouTube mo?
Title. Eating mutton biryani with birthday celebration. Ito ang kanyang handa. Mutton biryani.
Masarap pa naman niya. It's still nice.
It's nice but so spicy. Or just now I eat this kind of
better, no? Yeah. But it's spicy, this one.
so spicy.
No, I had pickle also. That's why.
This is not the same that we have ordering before.
The rice is different.
Rice
It's
is
different.
Only the rice.
small rice. Previously it was small.
Spicy.
Pero kumakain pa din.
Kailangan lang siya ng may gravy, ng may yogurt para mabawasan ng konting anghang.
Yan, Tera. Akin na to. Ayan, lahat. Kasi mabilis mo kumain.
Oo nga, mabilis naman. Kahit ang anghang-anghang.
Wala mabilis lang.
Sabi ni Esther, sige na.
Hayat mo. Hello? Yes.
Menu is more on Arabic. That is Arabic restaurant, no? Na China. We already went there before. That's the one. In Al-Ghazan.
Yes.
It's India, Pakistan.
No, Arabic. Alhamdi.
Naya Khandi, no?
Yamnamdi.
But if you check their website, they're mentioning
Arabic.
it's a Pakistan restaurant.
It's somewhat Pakistan. Yes, yes. Per head, how much here?
85 still.
Still 85.
They did not
Pata,
use
date.
it.
I think 79 was there.
No, ever since 85.
85?
They didn't change anything. Only the drinks is not included in the price.
So we need to order separately.
Yeah. 5 dirhams per drinks, I think.
5
Unlimited?
dirhams per?
Drinks.
Unlimited?
Um,
One glass, 5 dirham? Oh.
I mean, any drinks.
Ano tayo?
Manang, ano ka na ito?
Ay, basta ka naman na ito. Kung araw-arawin, uy, pimples mo na naman.
Madami niyang camera nga.
All Pakistani Indian food.
I think it's mixed. But actually it's Pakistani, I believe, right?
Fresh fruit,
Noon.
fruit chaat, dahi fulki, chana chaat, vegetable pakoda, vegetable samosa. It's all Pakistani.
Indian also.
So they will-
Pakistani almost
So
same.
our technician will love it, right?
Yeah.
And their presentation is very nice, no?
Yeah.
For serving the food.
Plus they have more item on fish also. This time also there. I believe they are also having fish tawa,
सलाद में
fish tawa and all.
पाए नहारी हलीम ईरानी कीमा बीफ कीमा बुखारी राइस मटन ग्रेवी चिकन
Madam
ग्रेवी
Chomps kasi
चिकन
sabi.
बिरयानी
Fish items.
They have lamb chomps also.
हाँ सी फूड फ्राइड फिश
Ah,
फिश टिक्का
fish tikka.
प्रॉन्स ऑल्सो
Yes, I remember.
Beef, they have also, right?
यस बीफ मटन एवरीथिंग नेक्स्ट फ्राइडे
7?
7.
85, this menu is good. Very good.
हाँ
Good afternoon, Mr. Sugo. How are you?
सर हाउ मेनी पीपल
I'm fine, thank you. Tipid na. Ayaw na yung long distance ko. Nagpa-miss call.
Kaya nag-call back na.
Oo.
Shall I eat this?
Ano na? Thank you for watching.